HobbyKidsTV.
Listen up, you bad guys. We've got a new villain coming to town, and we've got to welcome her to our secret lair. Ah, here she comes now. Ouch! Ugh, woman drivers. Sorry about that, boys. I had a very important text to respond to. Now get me out of this box so I can share my devious plan. We've got the Disney Fisher-Price Little People Cruella Di Vil. She's from 101 Dalmatians. Did you ever see that movie? Well, this is her and her ride. Here's the back of the box. And thank you, Fisher-Price. It already includes the batteries we need. That's Cruella Di Vil's car, HobbyGator. Oh, yeah, that's a doggy. She hurts doggies to make a coat like this. She's so mean to those cute little doggies. Yeah, here's our cute puppy. This is called a Dalmatian. You know why? It's got spots. Look at that spot on his eye. Yeah. These are all the sounds the car makes. The puppies! She might be a bad lady, but her car is pretty cool. The puppies! The puppies are like, help me please! Help me out of here! There's her license plate, 101 for 101 Dalmatian puppies. Doggy! So, gentlemen, this is the delivery I have. A car full of puppies. I need your help finding me a buyer. Yeah, no problem. Did you girls hear that? I heard that evil old Cruella Di Vil's in town. We need to call someone just in case. Wonderful. Let's round up these puppies. Oh, land, sweet land. You are one crazy driver, you little Shopkins. Well, Cruella, looks like your plan has failed. Ugh, these darn puppies. Oh, yeah.